100k streams, Bida. Tsaka, happy 9 million streams sa Happy For You and 600k sa Right Lover Wrong Time. Yay! Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Wow. Ba't mga tumatawag sa akin Suki? Suki? Wow, okay. Ayan. Sige, magpatugtog tayo para masaya. Wala lang to guys, vibes lang, chikahan. Kamustahan? You know the drill. Ayan ba yung mukha ng hindi bida? Kaganda ba? Thank you so much, Junrin 10, 11:24. Yes, ako po yung hindi ako ang bida. Wait, sige. Wala, hindi pa nag-update yung Spotify ko dito. Nag-red hair na din ako dahil sa'yo. Uy! Patingin! I wanna see. Wow guys, hair's inspo na pala ako. Sige, patugtog lang tayo. Pa-birthday greet po ako, Ate Jada, please. Happy birthday, Arvin John. You look like Jada. Ay, talaga? Dami nga nagsasabi. Magkamukha kami. Fave songs sa Simula't Wakas EP. I have Quit and Dongka on repeat for me. Those are my favorites. Gusto ko yung production din ng Quit. So, ito pa rin, hirap na akong intindihin. Tanging panalangin, lubayan na sana. Guys, magtanong lang kayo ng mga questions. Wala lang. And ewan ko, baka mag-invite ako ng people dito mamaya. We'll see. Kung ano man ang vibes. Pero, wala lang. Tanga ba'y kaya? DC naman. Uy, kaya ko ba yun? Uy, pero congrats sa aking mga kaya girlies. I love them. And syempre, ang aking broski si Zach. What's your hair color? It's red. Pero alam ko may konting mixture siya. Hindi siya parang red lang. Pwede niyong tanungin dyan si Tita Carl Dana, Hair Tea Culture. Uy, may nagpadala ng giraffe. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Pasundot na ng ilaw, pinulunturan ko ng damdamin ko, ng damdamin ko. Hindi pa para sapat pagpapahirap sa'kin. One month and 5 days na ang birthday mo na. Oo nga no, guys. Grabe. Papalapit na ng papalapit. Grabe. Excuse me. Tumabing ka dyan. Ang ilaw. Inulunton ako ng damdamin ko. Ng damdamin ko. Ate paturo po mag-makeup. Di naman po ako expert, pero ano ba, mag-makeup, unboxing na ba tayo? Hindi guys, ano lang talaga, yung key dyan, mag-search lang talaga ng mga videos. Ako, natuto ako sa YouTube, tsaka, bawal pa pala yung sabihin. Sa Red App. Diba, ganun yan dito. Sa Red App, tsaka, dito sa TikTok, nanonood lang ako ng mga tutorials. Hindi ka na nag-upload ng mga vlog mo. Sorry po. Mahirap po talaga kasi vlog. Magkano bilhin niyo po sa Taylor Acoustic Guitar mo? Yung Taylor ko, regalo lang yun sa akin eh. So, tagal na nun. I was like 12. Hi Jada, I named my daughter after you. Jada Margot Marcial. Thank you so much. That's so sweet. Did you eat already? Yes, kumain na ako. Kumain na ba kayo guys? Ano nang balita sa inyo? Collabo si Zach Tabudlo. That would be fun. Honestly, we've talked about it before. Sana one day matuloy siya. But yeah, Zach is a good friend and he's a really good artist. So I would like that. Huwag ka naman mag-announce ng new single dito. Don't worry. I can assure you, I don't think dito ko siya i-announce pag pa-play po ng bida. Sige po, bilang nag 100k na siya. The Ones X Jada sana. That would be fun too. Grabe guys, I mean, a lot of these artists I've talked about collaborating with, and it's always on the table. Siguro kailangan lang sumak talaga sa timing. But yeah, I'd like to work with The Ones. I've talked about it with Kuya Carl. Nagbago ang takbo ng istorya. Ang ganda ng song. Sino singer and writer yun? Hindi ko lang alam, guys. Sino nga pala yung kumanta ng song na to? Fave ka namin ng BF ko. Baka pwede pa video greet para sa monthsary namin. Happy monthsary, Junri and Kathy. Stay strong. Wow. Lagi na gatekeep kayo yung song. Oo. Uy guys, huwag niyo akong i-gatekeep, literal. Hindi uso yan dito. BF ko ba yan sa likod? Oo, BF ko. Sa panaginip ko. Si Nile. Everybody sing. Biglang nang wakas, hindi pa nasimulan ang pangon ng dansa ko'y nahingayon dahil sa kanya di nagkatuluyan. Di ako ang bida, para lang ito bahagi ng drama. Sasama, hindi ba mali pala, mali pala. What if kumanta tayo, guys? Let me know. May song request ba kayo? Hanap ako ng karaoke. Di nagkatuluyan. Sabi, hi baby Jada, release ka na ulit ng English songs please. Kasi sakit sana ng Happy For You. Uy, kung hindi ka aware, kaka-release ko lang ng album ko a few months ago, yung Sad Girl Hours. Yan, maraming mga masasakit na mga English songs doon. So, sana magustuhan nyo yun. Ano ba? Songs like, Love For Once, Slow Burn, AM, Rocket Science, you know. Sige, anong kantahin natin, guys? Hanap tayo ng karaoke. Huwag ka po sad, sayang oras pag malungkot. Mahilig po kasi ako mag-relapse. Relapse! Okay, sige. I like yung track order ng SGH. It's like me storytelling. Do you plan to do the same sa next album? I like that you appreciate that. Thank you so much. May storytelling talaga yun. Honestly, yung SGH kasi, Sad Girl Hours, my album. Ano talaga siya concept album. So, kumbaga, parang yung pagkakasunod-sunod na mga songs, very intentional ako dun sa part na yun. And usually, ganun ako I'm a very concept-based songwriter kasi ako. So, usually may kwento siya kahit kaya niya mag-stand alone. So, tingin ko, without revealing too much, I think for future work of mine, I think I would still be inclined to do something na pwedeng maging isang narrative, pero parang up to your own interpretation. Since ibang era naman to. Pero yun, ano ba? Ano kayang pwedeng antayin natin? Hanap tayo ng you guys, yung makikita sa yung makikita sa Red App na karaoke. Jada, I'm starting to love your song, especially Bida. Thank you so much. Si White Heart pala to. Sa mga kanta niyo po. Okay. Guys? Kisap mata ulit. Acapella yun. Okay, bilis naman maglaho na pag-ibig ko, sinta. Taik mo pa isang kisap mata. Nadighay pa nga ako. Yes, ang galing. Okay. Shout out, idol. Engineer Yuki 3. Okay, guys. Ano kaya? Happy For You. Meron bang Happy For You na O, diba? Kanta ko, pero may instrumental pa ba ako nun? Ay, meron. Himala. Tinan nga natin to. Hindi ko pa napapanood to. Fading into emotion. Ay, ang taray. Just going through the motion. Sige guys, bilang nag-9M na siya. Drowning into emptiness, not knowing where to go. I'm trapped in this feeling, a love that's never ending. I wish that I meant more to you, but I know I never will. May nagsabi, that's my song for him. Para kanina yan, ate. I've loved you since the start. Natatawa. And you've always had my heart. Grabe ka tunog mo yung original sing. I should've moved on by now. I think so. But why can't I be happy for you? I know that she's the one, and there's nothing I could have done to change your mind. I need to move on right now. But why can't I be happy for you? You gave me every reason to walk away from you, but the problem is I love too much, and I can't seem to let go of you. I've loved you since the start, and you've always had my heart, but you never knew. I should've moved on by now, but why can't I be happy for you? I know that she's the one, and there's nothing I could have done to change your mind. I need to move on right now, but why can't I be happy for you? Ayan, yun na muna guys. Bibitin muna kayo. Song title is Happy For You by me. It's my song, guys. Sakit talaga ng kanta mo yan. Thanks. Ever since I was young, specialty ko talaga ang pananakit. Okay, ano pa guys? Sige. Mga few more pa. Happy For You, gamit na gamit ng linya para sa ex. Actually. Pero grabe guys, nung time na yun, nung sinulat ko yung song na yun, as in wala pa talaga akong kahit anong experience. As sobrang bata ko nun nung nasulat ko siya. Pero, ayun, wala. Ever since sad girl talaga ako. Oh, naiyak na ako. Huwag ka nang umiyak. Uy. Vibes lang tayo dito, guys. Sige, ano pang magandang song? Wala lang. Sino po kumanta ng Happy For You? Ako po. Legit. Hindi yun joke. Hindi yun joke po. Shout out. Okay. Ano pa ba? Ate Please Bida. Meron na ba yun sa Red App? Ay, meron! Ano kaya tunog nito? Hala. Meron pa ng mga karaoke versions ng songs ko.
Start a rewarding journey today.
Actually, guys, first time ko makita lahat na to. Ah, okay. So, parang, okay, gets. Ito yung parang acoustic version. Ito na, mga sandali lumipas, biglang bagal ng eksena, parang pelikula. Nang makita mo siya, may kislap sa iyong mga mata, at nagbago ang takbo ng istorya. Biglang nagwakas ang iba, simula nagbago ang landas. Ako'y nang hinayang ng dahil sa kanya, di nagkatuluyan, di ako ang bida. Para lang itong bahagi ng drama, ngunit sa huli, di ako kasama. Ko na wala kayo pala, di ako ang bida. There you go. Ano, guys, para lang mabilis, from verse to chorus na lang tayo ng mga request. Yung nagsabi, nabanggit mo yung you write songs with your parents. I couldn't imagine writing IDILY with mine. So true. I did not write that one with my dad or my mom. But yeah, my dad's my usual collaborator. Pero yun, hindi namin yun sinulat together. Hindi ko din alam kung masusulat ko din yun with him. Usually, nagko-collaborate kami ng dad ko pag sa mga Tagalog tracks. Since, di ko kasi first language ang Tagalog. So, nakakatulong siya pagdating sa lyrics. Can you sing, Buksan? Gusto ko yung puro requests yun, yung mga kanta ko. Meron ba yun na feeling ko wala. So that was never like a single. I mean, it's here. Dapat labanan pagkat ito'y panandalian lang. Huwag mong tingnan yung purong asaman dahil ay, wait lang. May nagsabi para kasi akong emails I can't send. Do I memorize that song? Hold on. Diba yun yung It's like times like these I wish I would time machine. Wait, sige. Sorry. Wait, let's try. Diba karaoke challenge? It's times like these wish I had time machine so I could see what you did. Wag na. Oh my gosh. I know this song, but I've never tried singing it. Listen, when I'm not once cause you disgust me. Don't make me cuss you out. Why'd you let me down? Don't say sorry now. And thanks to you, I can love right. Get nice guys and feel nice. Then read the text like the habit. And now scared I'll find out that it's true. And if I do, I blame you for every word that I let assume. When I'm 45, someone calls me their wife and he selfish night, don't think I'm fine. Such a dipshit, please, you can fix this. Cause you were all I looked up to. Now I can't even look at you. It's a beautiful song, but I don't know it very well. We'll find something that I actually know. But it was worth a shot. Okay, what else? Matagal na akong fans mo po. Talaga po. Sama po kayo sa GC. Ayan guys, si Tito Carl Dana, Carlito Dana nandito sa live. Hi Tito Carl. Guys, siya yung kaka-retouch ko lang ng buhok ko guys. Sa Hairticulture by Carl Dana. Thanks to them. Grabe, ang ganda talaga ng kulay ng hair ko. Ever since I was 9 years old, siya na talaga nag-aalaga ng buhok ko. Invite ko nga si Tito Carl. Try ko lang. Ano pa ba guys? Ay, driving ka? Okay. Okay lang. Sige lang. Sayang, nagda-drive siya guys eh. When kaya ulit next event? I will update you guys soon. Yun lang masasabi ko. Ooh. Basta guys, honestly, itong April, I've been really busy with some things behind the scenes na honestly, ang hirap kasi hindi ko pa pwedeng i-post lahat ng mga pinagkagagawa ko. So, medyo nag-lay low ako ng slight. Pero, just know that we are cooking behind the scenes. You know what I'm saying? pabulong naman po dyan. Ano po ipubulong ko? Ganun. Bulong ako, hello, Team Jada OFC. Ganon. Bakit mapanakit lahat ng songs mo? Kasi trip ko pong manakit. Pa-join sa GC Jada. Guys, sa mga gustong sumali sa GC, message lang po kayo sa, ano ba tawag sa IG? Siguro naman pwede ko sabihin na IG, no? Sa IG, guys, message nyo na lang po ang team_Jada OFC. Or, si fanboy ni Jada ba? Guys, help me out, Team Jada, pa-help guys sa mga, ayan, fanboy, PM po kayo sa fanboy ni Jada, yan, para makasali po kayo sa, GC, nakasali din po ako doon, nagchichikahan lang po tayo dyan, iba pa yun sa, broadcast channel, para sa mga, mga first people na makakaalam ng mga ganaps and all, wala lang, chill lang tayo guys doon. Papin po ng account. Ano po yung ipipin ko po? Wait lang, nandito ba si fanboy ni Jade? Yes. Yeah. Wait. Just say hi, shout. No, just shout hi. No, they can hear you.
Naka-live ka?
Yeah.
Hi!
Ayan guys, ang aking nanay si Tito Carl nandito eh.
Oh.
Sabi niya hi sa'yo daw.
Hi, Carlito, my love.
Oo. Nagdo-drive daw siya eh.
Naku, mag-ingat.
Oo, true.
Magpahinga, ha?
True. Papin ng account. Pwedeng i-chat para maka-join ng GC. Hala ka. Wait lang. Pwede po ba ako mag-pin ng account na nasan si Tito po? Nasa kwarto na ni Lolo at Loli. He sleeps with my parents. Sa nagtatanong nung account, hindi ko siya ma-pin kasi wala ata dito. May nagpapagreet. Happy birthday, Madel. Sa mami nila. Yan! Ayan na siya. Wait lang. Nasaan ba siya ulit? Nawala siya. Nawala. Yan. Okay. Pin this comment. Yun! Yan, guys. I love it. Yan, nakapin siya. Yan, guys. Sa lahat ng mga gustong sumali sa exclusive fan GC, PM nyo na lang po si fanboy ni Jada. Ayan, nakapin na siya dito. You look like an angel. Thank you so much. I try. Yan guys. Si fanboy ni Jada ang bida. Kaya dapat mag-message. Same hair pala tayo, ate. Talaga ba? Hello. Hi, twin. Twin! How are you, Ate Jada? I'm good. Thanks. I've been busy creating, all of that. Sige, ipipin ko ulit si, fanboy ni Jada. I love your English accent. Thanks. It's not really English. I mean, English kasi pag naisip ko English, it's more British. I would say, mine would be more standard American, but thank you. You're blooming. Thank you so much. Lang guys, nanggaling kasi ako sa isang event lang kanina, kaya nakaayos ngayon. Pero magtatanggal na din ako ng makeup in a few minutes pagtapos ng live. Pa-shoutout po for story lang. Aleha Mara, talaga name ko. Sana mapansin. Hello, Aleha Mara. Si Maring Aleha. Shoutout sa'yo. Shout out kay Yang. Ang dami po nagtatanong. Uy, may nagsabi, Jada, the song for you. Or do it. Oh, okay. The song for you. Grabe yung song na yun. Di OG fan ka talaga. Kasi parang 20... So guys, para ng background. May song ako na tawag dito. Sinulat ko siya nung 2021. Never even really finished it. Actually, parang nagamit ko pa nga yung melody niya for like another song na. But I posted it on TikTok and it was something like I don't have my guitar on me right now. Pero I know you're not the girl. I know I'm not the girl you write your songs about. Please give me a second and just hear me out. I have a confession I need to make right now. With my heart in hand and my guitar in the other. Every feeling I felt for you will be uncovered. Let me show you the way that I love another. This song's for you. Wait, naaching ako. Excuse me. Lord. Okay. Next. You'll Be in My Heart by Nicki. You mean by Phil Collins, but the Nicki version. Come stop your crying, it'll be alright. Actually, that's good. Wait, hold on. Let's try. Yung Happy For You written by you po ba? Yes, indeed. Let's see if the Nicki version has a... Here we go. Oh, it's
Find your
loading.
perfect romantic stay.
Okay. Let's try. Alright. Alright, let's try. Let's give this a shot. Oh, diba? Karaoke, let's go. Okay. Come stop your crying, it'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you from all around you. I will be here, don't you cry. For one so small, you seem so strong. My arms will hold you, keep you safe and warm. This bond between us can't be broken. I will be here, don't you cry. 'Cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. Yes, you'll be in my heart. No matter what they say, you'll be here in my heart always. Why can't they understand the way we feel? They just don't trust what they can't explain. I know we're different, but deep inside us, we're not that different at all. And you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. Don't listen to them, 'cause what do they know? We need each other to have and to hold. They'll see destiny calls you, you must be strong. I may not be with you, but you gotta hold on. They'll see in time. I know. So learn together, 'cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. Yes, you'll be in my heart. No matter what they say, you'll be in my heart always, always. There we go. Nice song. That's Phil's lullaby for Lily. I know. So, fun fact, that song, my dad used to sing that for me. Because I loved Disney movies growing up. So, yeah. It's a special song. Si Arturo, saan? Arthur? He's probably home. I think. Kung wala siyang gig. Happy birthday daw kay Joanne De La Rosa, aka Jada Faves. Hi, Jada Faves! Joanne, happy birthday to you. Fave ko yung AM mo, Jada. Till nasa top 5 ko. Thank you so much, McCrazy. Shout out Kay Santos. What's up? Hello, Sheila Lux. Shout out sa'yo. Grabe, yan si Sheila. Idol, hindi mo ba ako papansinin? Huy, grabe ka naman. Mabilis lang talaga yung mga comments. Tin. Nasaan pa si Ma'am Jessa? Ayan, kanina dumaan siya. Sayan, bumalik na siguro sa kwarto. Tukla ako, guys. Wait lang. Sabi, sumali kayo sa GC sa IG. Tama yan. May tawag po sa IG. Purple app ba ang tawag dyan? May ganun ba? Purple? Ano ba siya? Huh? Mary Chris from Austria. What's up? Wow, from Austria. Shout out sa mga Jaded Nation. Gradient app. Yan. Okay. Sa Gradient app, guys. Ayan, sumali na kayo sa GC doon. Message nyo lang si fanboy ni Jada or Team Jada OFC. Para guys, updated kayo sa mga ganap. Tsaka, ako natutuwa talaga ako, guys, pag nagiging friends yung mga fans. Yan, PM nyo lang si fanboy ni Jada. Pin ko siya ulit. Natutuwa ako pag sasama-sama kayong lahat. Ano pa ba? Nagbabartagulan na lang sa personal. Tama yan. Inaantok na ako. I think ready na ako matulog in a while. Sleep ka na. Yung nagsabi snooze. Yung nanay ko nag-text sa akin. Pwede ko ba daw ilabas yung basurahan ko? Kaya dahil dyan, baka mag-end life na din ako in a bit. Gusto niya na kunin yung basurahan ko para magtapon ng basura. Nandun ang basurahan. 'Di ba? Wala, ganun talaga kami dito. Pati ako, iiwanan mo din. Huy, grabe ka naman. Hindi ako nang iiwan, guys. Ako na lang magtapon para sa'yo. Sige, Kay Santos, ikaw na lang. Punta ka na lang dito. Pakikuha na lang. Thank you. Makikisuyo na lang. Dami mga nag-gift. Sorry, hindi ko masyado na-acknowledge. Pero thank you so much sa lahat ng mga nag-gift so far. I appreciate you all. So, yun lang, guys. Kaya lang talaga naman ako nag-live kasi gusto kong mangamusta. Because it's been a while. But yeah. Pupunta ako sa event mo kapag meron. Sabi mo yan, Kay Santos, sali ka na sa GC para masaya. Yee, sasali na yan. So, yun lang, guys. Happy 100K. Si Bida. And, basta, guys, abangan nyo. Many more exciting things to come. New music. Potentially. You never know. Then again, I never really stop. Right? May next release na to. Sure ka dyan? Hindi mo masabi. Si Ellis nagsabi, Jada, pansinin mo na naman, I can't talk. Jada, pansinin mo naman ako. Hi, Ellis. My brain is not working anymore. I can't. My pamangkin watching from Bahrain. Hello, Sarah Avanzado. Sleepy ka na kasi, true. You should rest. I know. I really should. Kami na yung pag-hiccup ko. Hindi ko na kaya. I'm a sleepy girl. Nanonood kami ng mother ko ng live mo. Hello po sa nanay niyo po. Oo, Jada version, please. Ano yun? Hala. Sleep girl hours. Yes. Nakahawa ko sa Grabe, no, nakakahawa kaya talaga. Sleep na po para forever young. True naman. Kailangan natin beauty rest. O, diba? Ang Latina mo naman. Ay, thank you so much. Sinasabi namin sa GC na ang OA. Hindi ko pa po nakikita. No, for real, I haven't checked the GC yet. I've been busy. Ang mukha mo yung nasa likod. Talaga? Sinasabi nga nila. Cute siya. Huy! Char. Ayun kay Ate Cla. Okay, guys. Hindi pa ako nakaka-backread. Pero hala. Baka mabash ako dyan. Tapos na ba ang sad girl era mo? Di mo sure. Jada noticed me. Hello, Aya. Ang dami nagtatanong ng hair color ko, guys. Thank you so much for asking. But yeah, si Carla na makakasagot niyan. But it's basically red mixed with like a bunch of other stuff. But yeah. But yeah, Yun guys, mag-good night na ako bilang on Tokyo, Japan na ako. Thank you so much for watching. It suits you so much. Thank you so much, Lilith. Yes. I had so much fun. I'll chat with you guys very, very soon. And stay updated. Ayun. Join the GC para masaya. Love you all. Mwah, mwah. Good night!